Here's a pair of Sony earbuds, model numbers WF-1000XM5. I'm going to show you how to put these in pairing mode, also how to connect to a device, also how to connect to two devices at once, which is called a multi-function connection, and also how to factory reset these. So first thing is, let's go ahead and connect it to an Android phone. After that, we'll connect it to an iPhone, okay? So let's first go ahead and put this in pairing mode, okay? So how do you put this in pairing mode? First, make sure both buds are in, close the lid. Now you wanna wait for the light to turn off, okay? Just give it a second here. Okay, lights are off. Now, to put this in pairing mode, what we wanna do is open the lid and then press and hold this button here and keep holding until we get a blue blinking light here, which will indicate it's in pairing mode, okay? So let's go ahead and put this in pairing mode, okay? So let's open it. Hold that button on the back, press and hold. I'm gonna keep on holding until I get a blue blinking light now. So just wait, I'm still holding onto the button. Okay, now it's blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're gonna hurry up and go to a device. We're gonna go to my Android phone here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to my Bluetooth settings here. So I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go to connections. And then Bluetooth right here. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And that spinny thing, look, that spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. Okay. So everything under pairing mode under available devices should show up down here. Okay. So, and these are in pairing mode. It's blinking blue as well. So, and it popped up right here, the 1000XM5. So there it is. So I can simply tap on that. I get a pairing request here. I'll tap on pair. Now I am connected. You can see it's connected right there, and I got 95% battery juice remaining, okay? So now I'm connected to this phone, okay? So now let's say I go ahead and I want to connect these to my TV or my other phone, which is my iPhone, okay? So I can connect to this as well. And if I do that, it'll be, if I connect directly to here, and I was connected to this phone before, so that'll be a multi-point connection. So basically, once I connect to my iPhone, if I listen to music or watch a YouTube video, the sound will come out of here. But then once I go back to my other phone here and bring up music or a YouTube video, the sound will come out from this phone. So now let's go ahead and connect to this phone now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close the lid again. Wait till the light turns off here, and I'm going to put it back into pairing mode as I did the first way to connect to this phone. Okay, so lights off, open the lid, and I'm going to press and hold this button now. I'm going to keep holding again till I get a blue blinking light. I'm still holding the button on the back. Okay, blue blinking light. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to my iPhone here, or you can go to your TV, whatever you want, and we're going to go to settings. Oops. And then we want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and that little spinny thing right there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and we know that these are still in pairing mode, is blinking blue, and we do find the 1000XM5 there, so I'll tap on that. And voila, we are connected, okay? So now I'm actually connected to both of these phones, okay? So again, if I watch a YouTube video, listen to music here, the sound will come out of here, okay? If I put that down, I go to this phone, and I watch a YouTube video or listen to music, from this phone, the audio will come out of these buds. So now let's say we want to go ahead and factory reset these, okay? Maybe we had issues before, problems connecting or pairing issues, or maybe it's like the sync is like delayed, or it keeps disconnecting, or you hear static or whatnot. Anyway, a factory reset is very simple. First thing is, put the buds in the case, close the lid, and again, we're going to wait till the light turns off here, okay? Just wait. Now the lights are off. Now, in order to factory reset these, what we're going to do is we're going to open the lid, and then this time we're going to press and hold the button, but this time we're going to press and we're going to keep on holding until after it blinks blue, then it'll turn orange. Once it turns orange, then we can let go of the button. We'll do it together. Let's factory reset these. Let's go ahead and open this up. Where's that button? There it is. Press and hold that button. Keep on holding now. Past the blue. We want to wait for orange. I'm still holding onto that button. There's blue right there. Keep holding. Just wait. Still holding. There's orange. Let go. Okay? Now, there you go. It's been reset. Factory reset. Now, just remember, if I wanted to connect back to a device that was paired before, I already factory reset these. So if I want to pair it back to, like, let's say my Android phone, I have to go to my settings here. I'm going to go to connections again. And then remember, we connected to this phone before. All right, so let me tap on Bluetooth. So what I have to do here is, you can see the paired devices. You can see that the headphones right here, the XM5 is right there. So what I have to do is click on the settings or the gear icon. And for the iPhones, you want to go ahead and click on unpair. If you're like on an iPhone, it's forget device. You're on a TV, it may say remove or delete, okay? So now it's been removed, okay? Now if I go back, I can go ahead and do the same thing, open it up, press and hold that, wait till I get a blue blinking light, and then I can go ahead and connect. It'll show up down here again, okay? And the same thing, if I want to connect to my iPhone, I will have to take it off the, out of my paired Bluetooth list. I have to forget this device, basically delete it or unpair it, and then put it in pairing mode, and then I can connect back to the phone. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys out.